Welcome to Aubergine Help video number 4. In this video, I'll explain the steps you need in order to add or remove pages from your menu bars on a WordPress-based website. It's a pretty simple process, so it will only take a few minutes to take you through it. What do I mean by menu bars? Well, depending on your website, these are the bars here at the top, in the footer, like here, or perhaps what we call a burger, like this. It doesn't matter where your menu is, the process is the same. Now, the first thing to do to make a change is to log in to the dashboard of your website. If you're unsure how to do this, please watch Aubergine Help video number 1. In your dashboard, ensure that this left-hand sidebar is visible. Choose Appearance and then Menus. You are now on the Menus page. It's a slightly confusing page, but the part to notice first is the Select a Menu to Edit option. You can click the downward arrow to choose the menu you want to alter and click Select here. That sounds fairly straightforward. However, the menus aren't always labelled in the way you would expect. For this reason, it's worth having a second tab open with the front end of your website visible for reference. For example, here on our website, the footers each have their own separate menu. See here, footer 1, footer 2, footer 3. Let's try and make a change to footer 3. Once you've chosen the menu, a glance at the menu structure here shows the pages that are in the menu. If you want to remove menu pages, you can do it like this. Remove. If we want to add pages, we can do it here using the choices on the left-hand side. Click Add to Menu, and then click Save Menu. And a quick look at the other side. We'll refresh this page. Scroll down, and here we are. Our new menu page is visible. Now, here's a useful added tip. You don't actually have to choose pages. You could also choose blog posts, custom links to other places, or even categories. Depending on your website, there may also be events or other specialised sections like these portfolio ones that we have here that you can add into your menu. To choose the items, simply tick box, click Add to Menu. Always remember to click Save Menu afterwards. Now, if you want the word showing on the menu here to have a different name to the actual page name, that's totally possible. Simply click here and change it. Save menu, and here it will come when I refresh my menu page. You can place your menu items in any order as well. Simply drag them into position. It's also possible to have them as sub-menu categories. This is relevant for header menus, for example. Click Save Menu, and you're done.